How to fix mic in Skype on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix mic in Skype on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Skype, click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and here we'll find microphone. Don't forget this one, click on it and click allow, and also phone, and that's it. Now click this one here, draw over other apps, make sure it's enabled, and also this one here, right, system settings, enable it, and that's it. Then just try again and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and then just update your Skype. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.